How do you remove tape or glue off a coin? This is a 1923 common date piece dollar, but it looks like it might be uncirculated. But unfortunately, someone put tape on it and tried to pull it off, and this is what was left. This is another example of a coin that had tape on it, and it toned on both sides of the tape, and it even has a fingerprint down there by the "In God We." It's a 1922. It's a common date as well. It's more like an extra fine coin. But is there anything we can do about this? Well, this one here, you can use easiest on and try to lighten up the toned areas, but there's no guarantee the coin won't look cleaned. We'll try it and we'll take a look at it. This one here, we'll take acetone. Acetone will remove that and it will look really nice. Might go ahead and use easiest first, then acetone second. So we're going to try that and we'll show the results. My name is Daniel and you're watching Coin Help You. Thanks for watching my latest video. PortsmouthCoinShop.com is our website. If you get a chance, check out all the coins we have to offer. And we also have Coin Help You community. The link will be in the description and a pinned comment. You can go over and ask for help with your coin. Okay, here's the one coin that had the tape on it. And one of the things you have to watch out when you're using acetone with a Q-tip, like I did. I had to because I wanted to remove this quickly. I didn't want it to sit in a dip for a long time or sit in the acetone for a long time. So what I did was I removed it with a Q-tip, made sure the Q-tip was, you gotta have a clean Q-tip. You'll start spreading the what's remainder of what's left that's dissolved on the Q-tip, which is the adhesive and the glue or the tape on the rest of the coin. So I went ahead and used easiest as well to dip it out and then pat it dry. So I used easiest first, then acetone, and then easiest again, and then rinsed it off. That way I know I didn't have anything on it. As you can see, the tape is gone. There's nothing going on with the coin except it's, just a low grade mint state coin. This one here, as I knew, would look a little cleaned. It looks better though because it doesn't have the tape strip on it, but it was already going to be a clean coin and I knew that. So this one you probably could have left alone and sold it as a call. But I just wanted to show you what you can do to remove tape and tape lines and things like that. I just use the easiest on this, and then I realized when the easiest removed the toning that there was still a little bit of tape residue on it. So I went ahead and removed that with the acetone, and then I re-dipped it in easiest as well. So this is the results that we got from these two coins. And like I said, you just got to have clean Q-tips. Make sure that you get rid of all the adhesive, tape, whatever is on the coin. And then this is what it'll look like. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.